You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word, originally from German, meaning existence or self-conscious human individuality. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, including from philosophy, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Pronounced from German, Dasein is how it's pronounced in German. In English, the pronunciation is therefore similar, Dasein, Dasein. Now, the S in German is pronounced somewhat between S and Z, Dasein, but in English it's pronounced like a Z, like a Z, a Z sound. Stress on the first syllable, Dasein, Dasein, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.